Hey everyone, this is your friend from Coding Ninja. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, we are going to learn that how to print a number from 0 to 100 without using a for loop in Java. So if you are new to the channel, just go hit the like, subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. And without a further ado, let's start the video. And here I already made a class. I'm using Eclipse IDE. You can use whatever IDE of your choice, and this is my main method. So we are going to learn how to print number 1 to 100 without using for loop or any type of loop. Okay, so we are going to do this. For this, let's understand the basic concept of for loop. Why do we use loop? When we have to iterate something from in a repeated manner, then we use loop. So here, uh, first let's use for loop. First, for let's say I have to print a number from 0 to 100 or 1 to 100. So let's see, int I is equal to 0. I'm using for loop now, and after that I'm going to print this without using for loop. I is less than or equal to 100. Wait, typo mistake, and here I is equal to 1, and here I plus plus, and now I'm going to print I. Let's see 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is going till 100. So solution is coming, it is correct, but the question is without using loop. And without using loop, how can we print from 1 to 100? So this is very easy also. First let comment this out. Let me comment this out, and now we are going to do this together, and it is very easy, and I will make you understand. So first take the condition is we don't see we don't first let's say there is a two condition. First, condition number one is that condition number one is that without using any number, without using any number in my code, without using any number in my code. This is the first condition, and the second condition is without using loop. These are the two conditions. Okay, so let's see the first condition. According to the first condition, I should not use any number in my code. But here, look at this for loop. I am using number two type. See here, 1 and 100. But the condition says me that I don't have to use any number. If I use any number, then my answer is, although my answer is correct, but my method is wrong. My approach is wrong. So let's see. Let's take a variable int 1 is equal to a divide a. So this will gonna give me output 1. This will gonna give me 1. And let's say uh, one string variable any string like string str is equal to, I am taking here 10 dots, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I am taking here 10 dots. And now what I am gonna do is, now I am gonna use a for loop for int I is equal to 1 and I is less than equal to, now I'm gonna multiply this str dot length into str dot length. So 10 10 ja 100, and now I plus plus, and now I'm gonna reprint I. Let's hope. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 still 100. This is easy. I hope this is easy for you guys. So let's explain it again. First, we are going to take a variable, that is my very integer data type variable integer 1, and here I am going to divide two character values. A you can change it, B, no need to worry anything. Whatever you want you can use it. Let's suppose I write here b divided by b is equal to 1. Obviously it will gonna cancel out, and I will take another variable, that is string, and there I am giving 10 dots. Apart from these 10 dots you can give anything, a 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. No need to worry, you can just give anything and see the output is coming. So you can give anything. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is also work, but the condition is we cannot use numbers, so that's why oh, sorry, we cannot use any number. That's why I am going to take alphabet symbols at the rate anything. And there I want to, now what will I do? Now I will run a for loop, a simple for loop, that in my I start from 1, my variable 1, and the value is also 1 here, so no need to worry. And I is less than equal to str dot length, that is 10, into str dot length, that is 10. So 10 into 10 100, and here I plus plus. So it is easy. And the second thing that we can also use is ASCII value. We can also solve this question by using ASCII value. And how we are going to do is, let's say that we will make it, we will do this like, wait, let's try another thing. I'm gonna keep this as it is. Okay, I'm not gonna change it. I'm just gonna copy this and paste here, paste here. This is the second method, by using by using ASCII ASCII value. I'm gonna solve this question without using any number. By using just ASCII value, I'm going to print from 1 to 100. So let's see. First, this much you understood. For loop syntax, int I is equal to 1, this much. Okay, here I only make change in these two. This much you understood. Now I is less than equal to character D. Okay, character D, and I is equal to I plus, and our variable 1 1, and print I and run this. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to 100. Why did I do this? Because the ASCII value of A is 97, B 98, C obviously 99, and D will be surprise 100. So ASCII value of D is already 100. So I is less than equal to 100. This much you understood. I is what did I do? I is 1. already the value of I is 1, and 1 plus 1, it is increasing. I plus plus, same thing, nothing changed here. So this is my output, and if you say that output is coming from here, so let me comment out and let's run it again. What will be the output? Same output. Okay, so now the second thing, what if our second condition, that is without using for loop, that I have to print 1 to 100. So how we are going to do this? Let me comment this out or clear this. Okay, I'm just commenting this out, so you can pause the screen and look at the code and also comment this out. I'm gonna so the second condition is without using loop. How we are going to do this? So wait, I am cut from here and paste it somewhere else here. Okay, just pause the screen. This is my condition, this is my condition, and this is my solution. This much is my till last, this much till here my solution. So now what we are now the second condition is without using for loop. Wait, I have to cut this and paste it here, so that without using loop. So this is my main method, this is my main method, this much you understood. This is my main method, and this curly braces start from here and end here. This is my class array lecture. Okay, so the condition is I have to print from 1 to 100 without using any loop. So how we are going to do that? First, just come out from the main method. We will make another method from, don't go inside main method, just come out from main method and make another method. Keep it static. Why static? Because if we want to call this without making an object, we can call it. So here I can give a parameter. Let's make parameterized method, and condition is if we will give a if condition. We will give a if condition because what is the condition? I have to print from 1 to 100. This is the condition, this is the question, and condition is without using loop. So let's do that. First I'm gonna write a if statement, and there I will, if my number is less than equal to 100, then condition is if my number is less than equal to 100, then print my number. Okay, I want to print my number. If my number is less than 100, condition is if number is less than equal to 100, then print my number. So, and the condition is I have to I want to increase my number also. I want to increase my number also. So num plus plus. Okay, this much you understood. First, if my number is less than equal to 100, then print my number, and then after printing my number, increase it by 1. See here, less than 100, condition fulfill, it printed 1, and then increase it by 1, and again print it, then increase it by 1, again print it, till when? Till it will reach 100. Okay, and now I'm gonna, okay, what is my method name? Okay, now I am gonna call this in my main method. Now come to the main method. See here, empty area. Now come here. We will call this method. We will call this method in my main method. Okay, print, what is my method name? Number, print number, and now it also take one parameter. So I will give number 1. Okay, now let's see the output. Congratulations, you guys are able to solve this in another way also. Without using for loop, we did it. What if I don't want to give hard coded value? Here, see, I gave hard coded value 100. I gave it myself. What if I don't want? I don't want to give any hard coded value, any predefined value. What will I do? What should I do? So I will just copy this. See, just copy this and look here. I'm not touching this. I'm just making another method. I'm just copy paste here. I will change the name because this is saying that duplicate variable, and here method overriding, method overloading. I'm using I'm giving here two parameters. First one, I'm giving here two parameter. First one is starting number and second one is last number. Okay, last number here L. So I'm giving here two parameter, and let me give it data type starting number and last number, and the condition will be if my starting starting number is less than equal to what, my last number. If my starting number is less than equal to my last number, then print my, then what should I do? I will print my starting number, and I will increase my starting number from 1, and at last I'm gonna print starting number and ending number as well, both. It is bit confusing, but I will explain it one more time. Wait, first see the output, and this is my method name, and here I'm gonna give just here come in the main method, and just I'm gonna call my function. What is the name? Function, numbe, num, and here it is taking two parameters, so give a starting number as 1 and ending number as 100, and just I will comment this out so there will be a less confusion. See, now run this. See, again, let's see, let's check it how it works. First, see, I make a method outside the main method. First I come outside the main method. This is the main method, starting and ending point. Here I just come out from the main method and make another method that is of static type, because I have to call it. And if it is a static, then without making an object, we can call it. So I will make a static method that is taking two parameter, starting number and last number. Why void? Because it is not returning me anything, so I will keep it as void, and it is taking two parameters. First one is starting number and second one is last number. So condition is, if my starting number is less than equal to last number, then print my starting number, then print my starting number. Because why print starting number first? Because you have to start with 1 na, then go to 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till 100. So if you're going to start with 1, then you have to print starting number na. It is easy. So print starting number, then increase your starting number, increase it by 1, see, first print starting number. Here I printed my starting number 1. Look at the right side of the console window. Second, execution come to the line number 29. Increase it by 1. See, I increased it by 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then print starting number and last number. And now I am calling this method. This here. Here I am calling that here. So execution come to main method now. From here execution come to here 1 and 100, and same thing goes on and on without using loop. We called a we printed 1 to 100 without using a for loop. What did we learn till now? We learned that without using any type of number, without using any number, how to print from 0 to 100. Second one, first we saw the concept of for loop. Without any restriction we printed 1 to 100. Then without using condition 1, without using number, any number, print 1 to 100. And another thing is, and we did it by two ways, by using ASCII value also. And now the second condition, what was that? Without using any for loop or any type of loop, just print. So this is the recursive function, recursive method, that the number is calling itself. Okay, so we did it together. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, go hit the like and subscribe button and support me as well. Happy learning, guys. Bye bye.